Hi, this is Eva from WUDKWENCY Artistry. Are you looking to add a touch of natural beauty and warmth to your home decor? Introducing the Dawn's Embrace Wall Lamp DIY Plan, a stunning piece that captures the serene beauty of a sunrise behind the trees. You can download the PDF pattern for scroll saw cutting and DXF file for CNC or laser cutting. The download link is available in the description. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting, this project is perfect for you. The step-by-step instructions and detailed guidance make it easy to create your own beautiful wall lamp. Minimal materials are required, making it a cost-effective and rewarding project for any skill level. The Dawn's Embrace Wall Lamp adds a touch of natural beauty to your home decor, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Minimal materials are required for this project, making it a budget-friendly way to update your home decor. The gentle glow of the lamp creates a soothing ambience, perfect for relaxation or creating a cozy atmosphere. Handcrafted items are always appreciated as gifts. Create a personalized and meaningful gift for friends or family.
If you like this pattern, then hit the like button and join us to stay updated about the new content. Thanks for watching.